Cradle to Cradle with Drees Sommer for the construction and real estate industry. We are currently at a critical turning point, moving away from fossil fuels towards renewable sources of energy. But what should we do about the increasing scarcity of our other raw materials? The construction and real estate industry consume not only 35% of fossil fuels, but also 50% of raw materials. And after their use, most of these wind up as waste. Isn't there a smarter way to use them? As a client, imagine you could remodel your building flexibly at any time and adapt it to your needs without wasting any raw materials. Not only would your building be free of hazardous substances, it would even make the air cleaner. And the existing building materials could be used as materials bank for future construction, as an extra asset. Do you think these things are a dream from a far future? Then look at this. That's exactly what the Cradle to Cradle concept is all about. Together with the founder of C2C, the EPEA Institute, we take care today of comprehensively analyzing and planning the materials to be used. We follow them every step of the way, from the manufacturer's production line to their use in the building and through to recycling phase. And all that brings added value to the construction and real estate industry. By recycling following the cradle-to-cradle principle, buildings can be completely disassembled and sorted effectively into monofractional components. Then, those components circulate in continuous cycles while upholding steady materials quality. For example, you as a client might decide to change your office's interior fit-out every 10 years and adapt it to a new tenant, without the environment having to pay the price. Or you might simply choose to lease the interior from the manufacturer and save money straight away. That way, the manufacturer can boost demand and ultimately recover high-quality raw materials to use all over again. For this to work, the materials need to be completely free of hazardous substances. That's the only way to guarantee hassle-free recycling of the raw materials. It also improves people's well-being and productivity to work in healthy surroundings. Finally, it protects the environment. After all, the same principle can apply not only to buildings, but entire cities, which will become useful material bank of raw materials for future generations. Our team of cradle-to-cradle specialists acts as an intermediary between clients, investors, architects, and manufacturers in order to ensure consistent consultancy and planning across the board. Together, we work to design buildings that enhance value, can be adapted as needed, and are free of hazardous substances while remaining fully faithful to ecological principles. Cradle to Cradle with Drees Sommer, your innovative partner for consulting, planning, construction, and operation.